Hey boss, welcome back to the channel. Are you uploading your videos the wrong way and wondering why your videos are looking like a ghost town after an upload? So today I'm going to be breaking down how to upload on YouTube so your videos can actually get seen, ranked, and recommended. Let's go. Step 1. Ensure to upload your videos in the best quality. Nobody wants that blurry looking videos. After every edit, ensure to export your video using the highest resolution of your editing software. This helps your video not to lose its quality when you upload it. 2. Choose unlist first. I already told you in my previous video why choosing unlisted is preferable than going public immediately after an upload. When you unlist your video first, it helps YouTube algorithm to check for errors. Okay, and they dictate if there's any error, they dictate and they tell you this is the error your video is having before it goes public. And another reason why you have to unlist your videos first before going public is so you, the owner of that video, would actually check for errors. There are sometimes we are not perfect, okay, we are humans. We can make videos and then the video is blurry or the audio isn't good enough. So by choosing unlisted, before this video goes public for the world to see, you actually get to check these videos for errors. If there are any errors, you make the necessary changes and then you upload again and public and make your video public. Okay. 3. Write a click-worthy title. Write a click-worthy title. Your title is everything. Use searchable keywords like how to upload on YouTube, a step-by-step guide. Or something like YouTube upload settings you must use to get more views. Okay, these are searchable keywords, right? You will not want to finish taking your time making a video, uploading it, and nobody watches your video. Why? Because your keywords are not searchable. People search for how to do this, how to do that every day on YouTube. So using the how to keyword is actually a big deal. So try and do that. Okay, how to make your titles clear, catchy, and keyword rich. Step 4. Master the description box. Master the description box. Okay, a lot of people ignore this part, but trust me, it is good. So that the first line of your description aligns or it tallies with the keyword you used as your title. Don't know if that is understood. Step number 5. Tags and hashtags. So these tags, they help YouTube to understand your kind of video. You're not the only one making videos. There are lots of people out there making videos on daily basis. Okay, so use relevant hashtags. Use relevant hashtags like YouTube SEO hashtag. You can say things like hashtag how to upload your YouTube videos, hashtag your name, hashtag. Just make sure your hashtag aligns with what you do in your channel. So even if people click or maybe people are searching for particular keywords, it will still take them to your channel because of the hashtag you use. Make sure you add your name to your hashtags. When adding hashtags, include your names, include everything that has to do with that video. If you're doing a cooking video, egusi hashtag, egusi soup, hashtag Faithnwoko, hashtag how to upload on YouTube, hashtag how to use the right SEO words. Just ensure that your hashtags are on point. Step 6. The right thumbnail. A bad thumbnail is equal to no clicks. That's the pure truth. Make sure that your thumbnail is bright, bold, and clickable with big text. You know, a lot of people watch YouTube videos using their smartphone. So if you're making your thumbnails and you make the text very small, it will be difficult for people to actually see what is written on it. So ensure that your text in your thumbnails are bold enough for people to see even with their smartphones. All right. So when making your thumbnail, make sure it is clickable with big text and make sure that you use an engaging face, because your thumbnail is what attracts people to want to go and see, to want to actually click on that video and see what you have in there. So ensure that your thumbnails are looking presentable and they are click worthy. Step 7. Set the best publishing time. A lot of us, especially new YouTubers, are still confused about this, but trying to see when your audience are online. Like let's say you uploaded, like when I started, like the first day I started getting I'm still growing though, but I noticed that it is towards evening that people actually go to watch my videos. So when you want to upload your videos, ensure that you're publishing your videos at the right time. Don't go and upload your videos in the morning when people are of course there are people who come online to watch videos in the morning, but ensure that you upload when your audience is active. You can check your YouTube studios to know the best posting time for your videos. Now that you know how to upload your videos, don't just drop videos and pray for views. Optimize them. If you found this helpful, show some love. Show me love. You guys, show me love. Please don't forget to like this video, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Thank you for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next one.